Have you always wanted to have long, thick eyelashes? Have you always wanted to grow out those sparse areas on your eyebrows? If yes, then keep on watching this video because I'm here with an amazing DIY which will answer all your wishes. So do watch this video till the end as you are sure to benefit from this video. Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka and in the last video we talked about how to get rid of dark circles. Today's video is an extension of my previous video. In today's video, we will be discussing how to achieve thicker and denser eyelashes using a simple recipe which we are going to make from very basic ingredients at home in our kitchen. Honestly, I strongly feel that if we take good care of our skin, we don't need tons of makeup in order to feel good about ourselves. If you are taking care of your skin, you won't be needing too much of foundation or concealer. Similarly, if you are taking care of your eyelashes, you won't be needing tons of mascara in order to give an illusion of having long and thick eyelashes. Therefore, I like to pay close attention on the things I'm putting on my face because they are a reflection of my overall health. Many people think that you can't grow your eyelashes once you reach your teen years, which is false. The fact is, you can grow your eyelashes and make them long and thick whenever you plan to do so. Age does not stop you from having long and beautiful eyelashes. So for this recipe, we need a few oils. The first oil that we are going to put in our DIY is castor oil. No surprises here, the benefits of castor oil are many. To start, castor oil is the only oil which is given to cancer patients after chemotherapy to stimulate the scalp and grow their hair. It is an oil which is rich in omega-6 fatty acids which when applied to the scalp can boost your hair growth 5 times as compared to your regular oil. Thus our first ingredient is going to be castor oil. Now because this oil is very thick and sticky than your regular oil, you need to dilute this oil in order for the application to be more comfortable so that it spreads evenly. Therefore, we are going to add sweet almond oil to it. Badam rogan oil is rich in vitamin E as we talked about the benefits of it in our last video. For those of you who haven't seen my previous video, you can watch that video by clicking the link above. I'll also share a link of that video in the description box below so that you can watch that video after this video gets over. So getting back to the video, as I said, almond oil is rich in vitamin E. And almond oil contains biotin, and massaging your hair with almond oil is an effective way to provide your hair with a healthy dose of biotin to promote hair growth and reduce hair thinning. Almond oil strengthens and repairs your scalp. The next ingredient that we are going to put is ajwain, also called as carom seeds. But we can't put ajwain directly to a mix, so we'll make an ajwain or carom seeds infused oil with the help of extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deeper into the follicles. So carom seeds or ajwain is one ingredient which is put in the ghar ka kajal that we make for toddlers so that they have beautiful eyes and eyelashes. Now applying that kajal daily is not possible, so we are going to make an oil which has all the goodness of ajwain, plus it helps you get rid of watery and itchy eyes. People with sensitive eyes, this recipe is especially great for you because ajwain is best suitable for people with sensitive eyes. Now to make this oil, we'll take a tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of ajwain into a pan. We'll let this mixture cook on low flame so that the goodness of carom seeds gets nicely infused in our coconut oil. Make sure that your ajwain doesn't get burnt. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. The last and the final ingredient that we'll put in our DIY is vitamin E capsules to increase the concentration of vitamin E, as this ingredient does wonders for your skin and hair. Now to start, I'll add about 3 tablespoons of castor oil. To this, I'll add 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add my carom infused oil. Now because it is winter, my oil has solidified, so it's looking like this. And lastly, I'll cut open a capsule of vitamin E and put that as well. Mix this concoction of oils nicely, making sure that our carom infused oil gets nicely mixed. And your elixir is ready. The shelf life of this oil is easily for 2 years. Apply this oil on your eyelashes using a spoolie or a toothbrush, or just simply use your fingers, make sure that you take a generous amount of this oil and massage your eyelashes with it. People who want to grow out their eyebrows, they can apply this oil on their eyebrows as well, or you could simply apply this oil on your bald patches on your head. Apply this oil daily without fail, and I promise you are sure to see results. These DIY recipes that I bring to you are not born overnight, but I've been testing these recipes since many years. And that's why I'm sure that they work, and these recipes are natural, effective, gentle, and easy to make. I have been using this oil from the past 3 months, and I have to say that I can see a huge difference in my eyelashes. People with oily skin, do not hesitate to use this oil, as you are only going to apply this oil at night on your eyelashes. This won't make your skin oily. And people with dry skin can apply a small amount of this oil during the day as well, so that it's doing double the magic. Do try this simple recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I'm leaving a link to my other amazing DIYs that I've done so far. Do check those out. On that note, I'll end this video. You stay safe and stay happy. I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, bye.